In this video, I'll show you how to add a cryptocurrency payment to your website. Let's get straight into it. For example, on our Woocommerce store here, our customers can either purchase in our store currency, which is USD, or they can actually pay with Bitcoin or Ethereum or some other cryptocurrency. So let's head over to our checkout. We're using crypto.com to process cryptocurrency payment. So the customer can just select crypto.com pay and then just hit place order. Okay, so customers using Crypto Pay can go ahead and just scan this barcode here, and then from their app, they'll have the option to choose to pay with whatever cryptocurrency they've got in their crypto wallet. Right, so I'm just going to hit complete test payment. Again, this is in test mode, so I can just hit approve payment. Okay, and then here you can see the order's been successfully completed. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, I'll leave a link in the description below to this particular plugin. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. The first thing we need to do is head over to plugins and then add new, and we're going to be using crypto.com. There's various different plugins that you can use. So for example, when we search, we'll see there's various different plugins. However, personally, I'm just going with a brand which I'm familiar with, and that's crypto.com. Various different others, again, you can go ahead and test each of them out, but we'll be using crypto.com for this particular example. So I've already got it installed and activated. Once you've done so, just head over to WooCommerce and then settings, and then from here we'll click on the payment tab. Okay, and then we'll click on crypto.com. Okay, and then we'll click on this link here, and it will prompt you to go ahead and sign up for a merchant account. Now that we've registered, let's head back over to our WooCommerce dashboard. First, let's go ahead and enable this, and then we just need to enter in our details, right? So our test publisher key, secret key, webhook, live hook, and so on. All right, so let's go ahead and get this now. Okay, so we've got our publisher key here. So let's go ahead and copy this. Again, this is the test version. So here we've got a notice which is prompting us to enter in our business information to activate our account. We won't fill that out in this particular video, but in your case, you'll go ahead and do that, right? So let's enter in our publishable key, and then let's enter in our test key as well. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, now we just need our webhook signature key. So we'll head over to webhook. We'll go ahead and add a new webhook, and we need to head back over to our dashboard, and we need to copy this webhook URL. So let's copy this here, and then let's paste it in here. And then we get to specify the event that we want to return. Okay, so this will basically allow crypto.com to update our wallet. So for example, when someone's paid and we've refunded them, etc., etc. Okay, just go ahead and select all the different webhooks. Okay, so that looks fine. Let's hit save. All right, perfect. Let's copy our signature secret, and then let's go ahead and paste it in here. So we're going to leave it as our test environment for now, and let's go ahead and hit save changes. All right, so everything looks fine. Now let's go ahead and create a test purchase. So let's head over to our shop page. And here we've got a crypto pay payment option. All right, so let's click on this option here. Let's hit place order. At this stage, your customers will scan this QR code, which will open up their crypto.com wallet, and then they can choose to pay with their preferred cryptocurrency, whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some other cryptocurrency. Once the payment successfully completed, it'll redirect them over to the order confirmation page. Since we're running this in a test environment, I'm just going to go ahead and click complete test payment to simulate the process of a user checking out. When we navigate over to our crypto.com dashboard, we can see that we've been paid $37. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.